Are you uploading your videos the wrong way? That's probably why your views are stuck and your channel is not growing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload your videos the right way to skyrocket your channel and see it grow. And probably you'll get the views that you deserve. Hi, welcome to Amenya Sphere. If you are hitting that upload button and you're not paying much attention to some key video optimization features, then you're probably missing out on potential views. So don't worry, because I'm here to help you out. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload your video the right way that's gonna attract more views and make your video stand out. So before we continue the demonstration, make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you never miss practical tips like this that will help you grow your YouTube channel. So here's how most small creators upload their videos, and it's the wrong way that they do upload their videos. That's why their views are stuck. So let me show you how you upload your video the wrong way. Most small creators go to the YouTube app, then they click on the plus sign here. You see the plus sign here? They click on there. Then let me try to upload one of my videos. Let me select a random video. This one of my videos, let me select it. Then next. You see the features here. We have where you put the title of the video, where you add the description of the video visibility, where you select whether you want your video to go public, private, or unlisted. Then we have the audience, where you select whether the video is made for kids or not. Then we have the location, then add to playlists, altered content, allow video and audio remixing, add paid promotion label, then comments. So when you look at this way of uploading, you'll realize that there are some of the features that YouTube gives us to optimize our videos that are missing here. For example, you can see where you add your thumbnails here, and you also can see where you can add end screens, cards, and all that. So when you click upload here, you'll miss out on all of that, and your videos will probably get no views. So let me show you how you can upload your video the right way. So the right way of uploading your videos, you go to the Chrome browser, then you search YouTube dashboard. You see, click on it. So this is the interface of your channel dashboard. So when you want to upload your videos the right way, this is where you come to upload your video. So you see up here, the right corner there is the plus where you create your video and the upload button there. So you can choose either. Let me click on create, then upload videos. Here you can drag and drop the file, or you can select files. Let me pick one from my files. Let me take a random video here. So let me pick that video, let it upload, and demonstrate some of the features that you miss out on the other way of uploading. You see the difference here. Now check this out. There are video details, video elements, checks, and visibility. So let's see them out. Details of the video. Here's where you put your title, then next description. You realize here we have the option of putting your thumbnails, and you can also select a maximum of 3 thumbnails and compare. You see here where you test and compare. Then YouTube automatically picks the one that performs better for you. Here you can also add playlists. We didn't have that one on the other side. Here is where you select whether your video is meant for kids or not. Let's check more. Show more. Okay, there it is. You say whether your video has paid promotions or not. You check on the box whether it has paid promotion. If not, you don't check. If there are altered contents, whether you used AI in your video, you can specify that, yes or no. Here you can also add automatic chapters, as you can see. Also featured places. You can allow automatic concepts. There are places for tags, language and certifications, language and caption certifications, recording date and location license. Also you can allow embedding, or you can publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. We didn't see that option on the other one, where you can remix your videos. Category, you see the difference is quite big. So when you select the other one, you'll miss out on all these video optimization features that you see here, and probably your videos are not gonna perform well and you'll hurt your views. So it will be very difficult for your channel to grow. So this is the best way of uploading your videos. You see, there are also other categories here. Video elements, where you can add end screens and cards. Checks, where YouTube checks whether your video has copyright issues or not. Visibility, you see, you can select private, unlisted, or public according to the way you want. So this is the best way that you can upload your videos and not miss out on these features that YouTube gives you at back end to optimize your video. So I hope you'll try this way of uploading and make your views skyrocket. Now that you've seen how to upload your videos the right way, it's time to apply these steps. And if you do that, you'll see more views, more engagement, and even growing audience. If you find this video demonstration helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share with your fellow creators. Leave a comment and let me know if you've been uploading the right or the wrong way. And don't forget to subscribe so that you will get more practical tips like this. See you in my next video.